Hi guys, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, coming to you from the Villa Reno with the staging furniture in. So I'm very excited today to see it all coming together beautifully with Make Me Pop gorgeous staging put in here. But I also wanted to come to you, it's been a 38-degree hot day again here in Perth, but I just wanted to come to you with also 3 tips on doing your staging. So the very first tip is definitely spend the money on getting the staging furniture. So as you can see, if you've seen the previous video, we had the painting done, the flooring down. So you know, you could say that the renovation is finished, but when you look at the property with beautiful warm furniture in, you definitely are going to get the money return for your money spent, at least double if not triple or more. So definitely get the staging. Second thing is to think about your target demographic. So the target demographic here is either first home buyers or downsizers. So as you can see, it's a villa, so we've got a nice little courtyard. We've made sure that we've planted it up so that it's lush and welcoming, but it's not too big a garden. There's plenty of space there if they want to grow veggies, and we've given them that idea by putting in some cucumbers, passion fruit and corn, as well as some pretty flowers. But yeah, just thinking about your target demographic when you're getting your staging in is also going to help make this property appeal to them as they walk through. So we've kept it modern and clean lines, as you can see. So we've got the neutral tones, which are really on trend at the moment, and it really gives people a feeling of warmth and relaxation as they walk through. So the third tip is, excuse my dirty old clothes, I've been gardening all day in this heat. So the third tip, which is something that a lot of people don't actually realise, is making sure that you've got a connection to the outdoors from every room and from every window in the house. So even, you can see, obviously windows go outside, but even in your artwork, have things like, you know, flowers, stuff that's going to connect people to the earth. You can see here we've got a bird. So the artwork, you want to make sure that it's connecting to the outdoors, as well as making sure that there's greenery. This is just like a little courtyard out here which won't even be used because it's the little garden shed there, but we've still made sure that we've got a green hedge on there, and I put a couple of hanging baskets and pot plants just to give people that connection that they actually don't realise. It's more of a subtle connection. So they're the 3 tips: is get staging furniture, think about your demographic when you are doing your staging, what sort of stuff they're going to like, and make sure that you've got the earth connection. You can even see here in the bathroom, we've got the window open onto a beautiful frangipani tree, so it all just really helps. And the bonus tip for me is to just make sure that everything is absolutely spotless. Even inside all the cupboards in the kitchen, people are going to walk through, open cupboards, they want to feel like this is their new beautiful home. So make sure that it is spotlessly clean. All right, I hope you've really enjoyed watching this renovation and you are loving the end result as much as I am. As I said in my previous video, I think it's probably my favourite renovation so far. I've absolutely loved this, and just remembering how filthy dirty it was to start with, and how dark and really not appealing, and now it is just a gorgeous new home for somebody to love. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.